Welcome back to day number 6. Today is not a country today. You were expecting the last country, but no. Today is going to be the first of the others, but tomorrow is not going to be the second. Tomorrow is actually going to be the last country. We're going to do 6 still. But something that you always need around the holidays is you're making gingerbread. Sometimes gingerbread cookies, gingerbread cakes, and that's what we're going to do, a gingerbread spice, so you can put it in all your cookies and cakes and stuff like that. So we're going to, I'll start from up here. We're going to make just a small batch to make. One, we're going to use tomorrow's video, which is why it's not, the video for that. That's why today's not a country video. There we go. Most of these actually I'm going to have to unscrew. But yeah, I am going to use this later in the other videos. So, what we're going to be doing is making some gingerbread mix, and for starters, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of allspice, which is pretty much all we got. I'm spilling a little bit though. Next up, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now that's something we got a lot of. And then again how can it be gingerbread without ginger? So we're going to add some ginger to it. So I got a little bit in here, then I got another jar just in case I didn't have enough in this one. Which looks like I will have enough in this one. There we go. Now you may remember in last video, we made some Polish gingerbread cake, and well, we didn't use any gingerbread mix, but we did use like ginger and cinnamon and nutmeg, so that it just calls for a little bit different recipe. But but we're actually making gingerbread mix for next. So next up is nutmeg. This time, instead of a tablespoon, moving to half a tablespoon instead of a whole. This time, I can't quite fit it in. I can't, never mind. Okay. This time, we're just doing a half tablespoon. You can always make as many batches as you want, but for how much allspice we have, that's what we are, and we're not really going to need much more of this. Anyways, 1 more ingredient after that, and that is going to be cloves. Cloves. I wonder if I've ever have captions up if it's going to say cloves or cloves. I'm not sure. Anyways, half a tablespoon, of cloves. So, if you didn't catch that, I sure hope you did. Anything on this side, so cinnamon, ginger, and allspice, you're going to do 1 tablespoon. On this side, nutmeg and cloves, half a tablespoon. And then you just mix it up. Mix it up. This is quite efficient, even, without a spoon. I could use those spoons, but I'm not. I'm just going to shake it up. It's cool. It's fun. Okay. There we go. Should be about 4 tablespoons of nice gingerbread mix, spice mix, that is. That's it for this short video. Thank you for sticking around for day 6. See you in tomorrow's video where we're doing the last country. You'll find out tomorrow which one that is.